Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 and today we will present the presentation the topic about testing, assessment and teaching. Okay, before we start, let me introduce the member of our group. My name is Intaneka Maharani as the moderator and for the first speaker, and then for the second speaker is Puan Maharani, and the last speaker is Ayu Olivia Ananda. Okay, I want to explain about what is language assessment. Okay, language assessment is a systematically process to measure a person's language ability. It helps teachers know how well students understand and use as a language. In language learning, testing, assessment, and teaching are always connected because they support each other in improving language skill. Okay, next, concept of test, assessment, and teaching. In language learning, test, assessment, and teaching are three elements that cannot be separated. Number one, test. Number two, assessment. Number three, teaching. Um, Okay, I will explain for the first test. A test is a formal way to measure students' knowledge or skills in areas like reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And, and then it usually gives a scores or result which shows how well students perform. For example, a grammar quizzes, listening test, or oral exam. Okay, for the second, assessment. Assessment is broader than a test. It is a continuous process of collecting and analyzing students' performance over time. The goal is not only to give grades but also to provide feedback for both teachers and students. For the example, teachers' observation, student portfolios, or self-assessment. Okay, next, the third, teaching. Teaching is the process of helping students learn. It includes assessing students during learning activities. Teachers use assessment results to adapt their teaching methods so students can achieve learning goals more effectively. Okay, the next material will be presented by Puan Maharani. Puan, times is yours.
Okay, thank you, Intan. The next material, type of assessment. There are several types of assessment in language learning. The one, formative assessment, done during learning to give feedback, and two, summative assessment, done at the end of a course to evaluate learning result, and three, diagnostic assessment, used to find out student learning difficulties, and four, placement assessment used to decide studying level before starting a course. And the five, performance-based assessment focuses on using the language in real life situation. Next material, teacher made tests and standardized tests. In language assessment, there are two main types of tests: teacher made tests and standardized tests. The one, teacher made test, is created by teachers to assess student progress in their one class. Example are quizzes or semester exam. It is flexible and fits the lesson material, but it can be less reliable and sometimes subjective. And the two standard tests developed by official institutions that are testing organization with fixed producer. Example include TOEFL, IELTS, and Cambridge English test. It is reliable and valid, but might not always match the classroom context. Okay, next material, approaches to language searching. There are several approaches to language testing. The one described point approach tests on aspect of language such as grammar and or vocabulary, and the two interactive approach combines several language skills, for example listening and writing, and the three communicative approach measures student ability to communicate in real situation. And the fourth, performance-based approach focus on real tasks like presentation or interview. Thank you. Next material, Ayu Olivia Ananda.
Okay, thank you Puan. The next material by me, Ayu Liviananda, current issues in language testing. Some current issues in language testing include 1. The use of technology such as computer-based or AI-assisted tests. 2. Fairness and ethics in language assessment. 3. The importance of authenticity in test tasks. 4. The washback effect, or how tests influence students' motivation. 5. The rise of alternative assessment like portfolios, peer, and self-assessment. Conclusion: language assessment is not only about giving scores but about improving the quality of learning. Teachers need to understand different types of tests, approaches, and current issues to make assessment fair, valid, and meaningful. With proper assessment, language learning becomes more effective and support real communication skill. Thank you.
Okay, that's all from Group 8 and sorry for our mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.